Are you trying to decide between BlackRock, Vanguard, and Fidelity? It can be tough with so many options out there. In this video, we'll break down these three investment giants and help you find the right one for your needs. All three companies manage investments and help people grow their money. They offer a range of products like mutual funds and ETFs, but each has its own approach and features. Let's start with BlackRock. It's one of the largest asset managers in the world. BlackRock is known for its innovative technology and extensive research. They focus heavily on ETFs, especially their iShares line. This makes them a popular choice for investors looking for diverse options. Now, let's talk about Vanguard. Vanguard is famous for its low cost index funds. They believe in keeping fees low to help investors save more over time. Vanguard is also a pioneer in the index fund space, making it a favorite among long term investors. Next up is Fidelity. Fidelity offers a mix of investment options, including mutual funds and brokerage services. They provide strong research tools and educational resources. Fidelity is great for both beginners and experienced investors who want a bit more guidance. Um, so, what are the key differences? BlackRock focuses on ETFs, Vanguard emphasizes low cost, and Fidelity offers a wide range of services. When it comes to features, BlackRock shines with technology, Vanguard is unbeatable on fees, and Fidelity excels in research and support. In terms of pricing, Vanguard typically has the lowest fees, while Fidelity is competitive. BlackRock's pricing can vary based on the specific funds. In conclusion, if you want low fees and a hands off approach, Vanguard might be best. For those who value technology and innovation, BlackRock is a solid choice. If you need strong support and resources, Fidelity could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.